In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change line spacing in Mozilla Thunderbird. Let's start by opening Thunderbird and composing a new email. You will see the familiar Thunderbird interface with the message composition window ready for your input. This is where you will craft your message. Pay close attention to the line spacing as you type. If your emails are double-spaced and you prefer them to be single-spaced, you have the right tools at your disposal. This initial step is crucial because it sets the foundation for the formatting of your email, ensuring it appears professional and easy to read. Now that you have your message window open, let's adjust the line spacing. In the message window, navigate to the Format menu at the top. From there, select Paragraph and then choose Body Text. This action alters how Thunderbird interprets the Enter key. Instead of creating a new paragraph with extra spacing, it allows for a standard line break. This means that pressing Enter will result in single spacing between your lines. This step is important because it gives you more control over the appearance of your message, making it cleaner and easier for your recipients to read. Next, if you want to make this setting the default for all new emails, click the Menu button, which looks like three horizontal lines, and open Settings. In the Settings menu, head over to the Composition section. Here you will find options related to how your emails are formatted. Look for the HTML style settings. You will need to uncheck the option that says Use Paragraph Format instead of body text by default. Or when using paragraph format, the Enter key creates a new paragraph. The exact wording may vary depending on your version of Thunderbird. This adjustment ensures that every new email you create will have the desired line spacing you prefer. Once you have made these changes, close the settings window. This action saves your preferences, making sure that the adjustments you just made are applied to all future emails. You should now notice that your emails will follow the new line spacing rules you set. This is a great way to maintain consistency in your email communications and can save you time when composing messages in the future. If you occasionally want to insert a single-spaced line while keeping paragraph mode enabled, there is an easy trick. Instead of using the Enter key, press Shift and Enter together. This simple key combination allows you to add a line without the additional spacing that comes with regular paragraph breaks. It's a handy tip that adds flexibility to your email formatting, letting you customize your message on the fly. Now let's talk about changing the spacing in the message list or your inbox itself. Open the View menu at the top of the Thunderbird interface. From there, navigate to Density. You will see options for Normal, Compact, or Touch. Selecting one of these options will adjust how much space is used in the message list. Compact mode, for example, reduces the space between messages, making it easier to see more emails at once. This is particularly useful if you manage a large volume of messages and want to keep your inbox tidy. It's important to note that Thunderbird does not offer built-in options for custom line spacing values like 1.5 or 2.0, similar to what you might find in Microsoft Word. However, for advanced users, there is a way to customize spacing through CSS. This requires some knowledge of coding and is not necessary for most users, but knowing that option exists can be helpful if you need more detailed control over your email formatting in the future. By following these steps, you can ensure that your emails in Thunderbird have the perfect line spacing, making them professional and easy to read.